Hey guys, wanna know how to change the date format in Kotlin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your date format in Kotlin playground. It's super easy, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open kotlinlang.org. This will direct you to this website right here. Now on the top right, select play and then select playground. This will open up your playground where you can customize it as you want. Now just simply clear out whatever there is. Now for this tutorial, we'll use simple date format to format the date in various style. So just simply see this code and you can copy this code as well. Now right here, we have defined three different formats. The simple date format class lets us customize the date to any format we want. In real Android apps, you'd use this to format timestamps or display our friendly dates to users. Now just run the code and you'll see how easily Kotlin can change date formats. You can modify the format string as needed. This is a very simple and direct tutorial on how to do it. Now you know the logic and you can implement it even in your Android Kotlins. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.